Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Crystal Dane Montero, 25 years old, from Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. Single and has no kids. I grew up as an independent child with my younger brother while my mom is away from us because she has been a domestic helper for over 20 years since we were young to support us. I am a college graduate with the degree of Business Administration. I worked as a part-time nanny and tutor to 5 and 7 years old kids during my college days. I am currently working here in the United Arab Emirates as a waitress, and I decided to apply as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I can do household chores like cleaning, doing the laundry, ironing the clothes, and cooking. I can also help in going to the market if needed. I am trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. I prefer to work alone because I believe that I can do with my own initiative. I can do childcare as well as I am really interested to kids and I have very long patience in taking care of them. Thank you for your time. You can check my profile in Helper Library app. Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir. Have a good day and God bless.